Right now I was driving my truck, driving the Bronco, and I got stuck in the mud. Did not know it was that deep. Try and go around the rock. Try that. This would be a quick little crawl with the Bronco. Showing off his capabilities. We'll go the driver. Late night crawl. Nice flex. Oh, seem to be hung up on something. Just give it a little bag up. There we go. Can't wait to do like an actual running video. I actually brought my GoPro out. I don't know how the low light setting is on the GoPro Hero 4 is, but wait for the airplane to go by. I don't know how the GoPro's low light setting is, so I went to go try and videotape, and my SD card was in the computer. I'm like, oh, all right. So what should we do? Go around the rocks and come back up? Yeah, let's go around. We got one tail light out. This is like a signature trait me and my wife were laughing about earlier today. Got some nice water stream. Alright, let's just try to follow the truck. Didn't even bring my selfie stick outside. I was like, I want to post you guys something because I haven't been around lately, you know. I haven't been able to give the YouTubers any videos lately, and I'm sorry about that. Been a little depressed and everything, and I've been happy too with the 3D printer and stuff. It's just depression kind of bites you in the butt a little bit. So I haven't even been out crawling, so I was like, you know what? I did some videos with the GoPro for Micro Scale Garage. Oh. Got another airplane. Did some videos for Micro Scale Garage, and oh, the camera don't seem to be in focus. There we go. It ended up being me fixing an iPhone. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me fix an iPhone. I think it was an iPhone 6. I just ended up putting a screen. It was like a kit that came with the screen and stuff all together. Oh, you gonna make it over there? Yeah. I like the gearing on this Bronco too. I really. Oh man, we're gonna chip the paint again. Ran directly into that brick. The gearing in it. Right now we're in high right now. I'll drop it down to low so you guys can see how it drives in low. Oh, we're getting some nice flex right there too. I'll walk back around. Stand on the infamous rock. We'll climb that rock in a second too. Here we go, we're in low. This ain't even full throttle. That was full throttle on low. I think I'm gonna use the extra spring, medium springs in the rear. But I'm kinda liking the little body flex. It's kinda giving it that old school kinda like, you know, worn out shocks. Whatnot. Hold on one second. I'm getting bit by a mosquito already. Ow. Alright. Let's try and make it around, make it over this rock. We got our Lego driver in there. Kick it up into medium. Tell some places you just need the more throttle. Whoa. That's me driving with one hand. Sorry about that. Good, getting back into the groove. Oh, look at that flex. I'm not even looking at the screen camera. I'm trying to actually look at the truck now. Stuck on a rock there. Oh, 10 points. Alright. He's doing pretty good. My Lego driver, he's a little shooken up. He's alright though. Test driver. Here we go. Call him Micro Twine. Let's get it. All your equipment is on the... Oh, 20 points. Huh. Wonder what I flipped over from. I wasn't even paying attention. Let's shake your equipment around. Alright, let's try and do this again without flipping. Oh, okay, we went over that. Looks like a little nudge there. Sorry about that, I don't even think that was on camera. I'm gonna come down right here. The tires are full of muck. I'm standing in muck. Drop down right there. Huh, a high center. Center high. Oh, got it. Climb the rock now. Climb the rock without our headlights. Oh, I gotta watch it. There we go. I can see the body kind of raising up a little bit. Oh. Okay. Let me just... Oh yeah, see, I'm liking this. This drives just like my F-150. Just like the oh25bc. Just like, oh! Okay. The driver, he died. Yeah, he didn't, yeah, there's no way he survived that. We gotta cover that up for a second. His head is in the passenger seat on the driver's seat right there. Yeah, we gotta make sure he's okay. We still got headlights. That's what matters. Alright, we're gonna end this crawl right here. I gotta actually use 2 hands to fix all this to get it back driving. So, like, share, subscribe, you guys. This has been a micro scale garage crawl. The oh25bc bronco. I don't want my controller in the ground. My buddy Tim keeps sending me videos in Messenger of his awesome truck crawling around, and I'm just like, yep, putting the kids to bed. They got done eating spaghetti. I'm going outside and I'm going to crawl. I gotta go relax. 3D printer should be done in a minute. So yeah, and every time I put my phone close to my truck, it starts wigging out. So alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe, and as always, peace and love. God bless.